It's the BlondeKyiv. Now I'm preparing a playlist called Walking During Kyiv. This is my second video in this series. I'm going to show you the best of my beautiful city. What you see in my videos you won't find from any other tour guide. Today we start our tour from this place. The history of this monument is very interesting. The grey cat Pantusha, nicknamed Pantusha, became a subject of a statue. He was favorite not only of restaurant workers but also of visitors. Pantusha was friendly host and cared for every guest of the place, restlessly checking if everyone was comfortable of their tables. Also, he was an amulet of the restaurant. Unfortunately, one night a fire started and the cats were trapped in the restaurant. He was a hero. Pantusha saved the life of people and families because he started meowing and woke them up. After a while, a monument of the famous animal was built near the entrance of the same restaurant. The original version of the sculpture was featuring a bird, but after several tourist attempts to try to take a piece of Kyiv with them, Pantusha remained there alone. Pantusha is still favorite up till today, holding on to the tail and rubbing the ears of the cat while making a wish became a good tradition near the sculpture. Let's follow the paw prints and see where they bring us. Here we are! So, Soviet cartoon Hedgehog in the Fork is about the adventures of little hedgehog on his way to meet his friend the bear. Along the way he enters into the fog and got lost there. He made from wood, and his needles are made of screws, and he holds a bag of jam. The name of the sculpture is Loshatka, translated as a horse. Strange, no? Here is a hedgehog, and named as a horse. Look at his face. According to the cartoon, he was carried by a horse, and now he's looking somewhere in front of him. Actually, in 40 meters away is a really monument with a horse. Let's go closer and see what's here. It's a monument to the defenders of the borders. Maybe the hedgehog is surprised and opens his mouth because of these strange mistakes made by sculpture. Proportion of the man and of the horse looks so improbable that the horse looks like a pony, and the man rides the horse without saddle and stirrups. Funny, isn't it? Follow me and I show you one cool place. is a little gallery for contemporary art, called the Naked Room. Every month they change exhibitions of different artists. Here you can see a place with books and read it. Here you can also grab a bite and enjoy artwork. Oh, I also see a bottle of wine named a Blonde, especially for me. So, that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe my videos. I also have a Patreon. Please feel free to support my videos. I also can buy a better vocabulary and improve my English. Bye!